Hey, it's time for a little casual conversation. Let's not get too excited like we normally do. I'll save that for inside. But I'm literally sitting right here on a 2014 Jeep Patriot. Beautiful Jeep. I've been driving this thing home every night, getting it ready for you. The question is your name in the spinner? All you got to do is go to the newstevehenryshow.com, put your email together, give us your contact information, and get ready on the 12th. Make sure you're accounted for and say, hey, Steve, I'm here. That's all you got to do, like we do for our $200 giveaway. It's the same thing. We're not going to vet anybody. It's going to be raw. Pull that name out. I hope it's you. That's right, Saturday, February 12th, 4 o'clock. Don't you dare be late. And, $500. Is it yours? Coming this Saturday. You don't want to miss it. It is our second part in our love series. That's right. We have 3 series going. This is going to be number 2. This is for somebody who's been married 1 to 5 years. And we have over here, we have Tim and Barbara. Tim and Barbara been married, they got married during that COVID thing. Did you have a COVID wedding? They have a story to tell. It's kind of an interesting one. But nonetheless, if you've been married 1 to 5 years, I'm going to save you some money. You don't need to go out and spend $300 on wine and taxis and no, I'm not going to drink, but none of that stuff. You don't have to worry about any of that. I'm going to show you right here live in the studio on Saturday a gourmet meal that you can prepare for yourself, just you and your loved one, for that 1 to 5 years. Still got that little spark thing going on, you know what I'm talking about? Well, that's what we're going to have for dinner, a little spark. He's going to fix the sauce and she's going to fix the steak. Wait till you see the combination on how that unfolds. It's going to be awesome. A bacon-wrapped stuffed filet mignon with crab legs with sauce béarnaise draped over the top on a beautiful plate displayed on a mirror, just like you have here. It is going to be like you went to the fanciest restaurant, but you did it in your own house because you watched the Steve Henry Show. For those that have been married 1 to 5 years, got over that 1 to 2 hump, and you're now going to say, hey, we're in this for the long haul, baby. That's what we're going to do. Also, if you saw me outside, you know what I'm going to do next. I'm going to reach in here and I'm going to pull out a name. The question is it your name? How do I get my name in there, Steve? Well, you got to go to the newstevehenryshow.com. You got to make sure you're in our email and you're in our contact information. That's how you're going to win that Jeep on February 12th. That's 2 weeks. That's coming up, real soon. Saturday live. The last thing we do here is going to pull a Jeep, and it's going to be so impromptu, no vetting whatsoever. If you show up that day and you say, hey, Steve, I'm here, just like the $200 spin, I'm going to pull your name out, and that's the winner of the Jeep. No vetting, no nothing. It's just raw. Anyways, you don't want to miss it this Saturday live. The Steve Henry Show is going to produce a bacon-wrapped filet mignon with crab legs and sauce béarnaise. His and her doing it together, Tim and Joe. It's going to be wonderful. If you caught the last one, that was great too. Rotisserie meatloaf. I hope some of you are doing that or using that because that is an awesome recipe. I took that home and did it again. It was awesome. Number 3, you don't want to miss that coming up, and it's going to be, the title of that one is Will You Marry Me? And the surprise on that plate when you present that to your bride-to-be, incredible. For those that are looking to get married, you don't want to miss that show either. I'll see you all this 4 o'clock Mountain Time this Saturday live right here in the studio. Don't you dare be late. The waiting room is waiting for you, and I want 100 people this week now. You get me?